another vlog. Just woke up, I made my bed, Maya is still freshing up, and I have two beauties right here because if you guys have seen our previous vlog, you saw what a surprise we got. We were super excited and I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, what? When I opened the door, the first thing I saw was a dog, and I was like, is there a dog here for me? I mean, did somebody send me a gift? A dog? I was like, whoa! But then when I saw them, I was like, oh, you guys are here already. So he sleeps here in his crate, and we're gonna open him now. Take them both for a walk. And I have super dried lips today. I don't know why. So I have applied a ton of lip balm. But yeah, today is beautiful. It's outside. It's nice and sunny, and we have a lot planned for the day. Not going out anywhere though, but at home. So you guys know we finished our 28-day challenge yesterday was 28. We finished this yesterday. We felt so good, and we are starting a new challenge again on 1st, basically Tuesday. So we are super excited. We are getting toned, but we want to get more toned, so that is why we are doing the another challenge. So yeah, and today we have 3 days gap, today, tomorrow, 2 days gap actually, today and tomorrow. So today we are planning to eat chole bhature, our favorite that we haven't ate for like a whole month because of the challenge going on. So we are gonna eat chole bhature today, so that's what we're gonna make. And then also we're gonna make samosa, and we are gonna freeze them. So basically what we do is, whenever we make samosa, we make like 30-40 samosas, and then we cook them, and then we put them like in a bag, small like big bags, and we put them in the freezer. So that way whenever you want to eat it, we just take it out, microwave it for like 1 minute, and then air fry it or bake it, so it's nice and crispy and done. So we don't have to like literally go through all the process whenever we want to eat samosa. You're happy, right? You're happy. Are you stretching? Are you stretching? Now look at him. Yes. They both are best friends. Like literally, they'll play the whole day and then they'll sleep. Right? They will play the whole day and sleep. Yes, Barbie. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yes, I'm gonna take you out now. Yes.
Guys, so finally you are seeing me in the vlog. So this vlog is gonna be super cool now.
Right.
Anyways, you guys must have met Marvel and Astro. He is looking outside, and let me show you finally how our studio looks. If you haven't watched our previous vlog, you can go check it out, what we were setting up, and there are little things we keep adding, one thing at a time. So all of that is in progress. But let me show you, it's 95% done. It's almost done.
It's almost done, yeah.
Yeah, so it's almost done. So I'll show you the studio, and Tanya is actually making the dough for bhature. So and then after that we have this whole jar here because we are gonna make samosa. So I feel like a halwai today, who's gonna just keep making something. So let me show you the studio room. So this is our room here. Look at that. This is our office space. Finally, we have our lamp, my desk, Tanya's desk. We have a little board here where we write things that needs to be done. I love this board. It has your note section, it has your to-do section, it has all the calendar thing that you can just rub and do it. This is something that was sent to us by Elliot, and look at that. I love my Bua and Fupa, and he did his little color, made some hearts. So I really love that. And then this is something frame. So if you were to scan this, you can play the song on Spotify, 1,000 Years by Christina Perry. That was a song that we played for our first dance at our wedding. So Ashley got us that. Excuse me, people. Marvel, don't do it, baby. It's mommy's, okay? Astro. No. Astro, come here. Out.
Come on, out, both of you. Out, Marvel.
Then this is the world map. And it's cool because it's a scratch map, and then Tanya and I are gonna start scratching every place that we have been to, every country that we have been to. And of course she said there's the rule that we can only scratch the country if we have been there together. This side, we have this little shelf here, 8 cubes actually, with all my toys on top and a jar that says hello darling. And then we have a green screen there that needs some ironing, steam ironing or something, because I did a test video and the wrinkles just mess it up a little bit. So that's that. We have a little ladder there, and then this is like Tanya's setup to actually do stuff, make videos. There's the camera. That is the ottoman we got from, so if you guys are wondering where we got this is from Etsy. We'll put the link down below. Those cushions we got from TJ Maxx, and this we got this throw we got from TJ Maxx, and that is the storage ottoman. So that's really cool because like you can keep stuff in here. And that we got also that we got from Ross actually. And then go watch out the previous vlog where we set this up. This is from Amazon. We had the camera and then the tripod, so it's a pretty cool thing. This mirror is also pretty cool because it has like the lights installed inside it, and it has like a different setup thing. So this mirror comes installed with white light, yellow light, and a mix of both. So it's pretty cool mirror, and that's the green screen. That's it. Do let us know in the comment section below that how did you like our setup. And I have been talking for a really long time. So, ooh, I can smell the yogurt in the flour, so it's tasting delicious already. So now I'm gonna go help Tanya. We have shown these recipes gazillion time on our vlogs, so I'm not gonna show them in detail, but we are gonna show it to you what's in the cooking, what's in the process, what's going on, okay? So stay tuned for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna go help Tanya.
Chole is all done. Look at the consistency. We mash it a little bit because that is how we like it. And there is also some gravy to dip your bhature. Ooh, my mouth is watering. But anyways, this is how we like it. We made extra because Nitish and Ashley are gonna be here tomorrow, and my brother loves chole bhature, so he can eat some of that. And making bhature right now. Bhature, I think I've shown you guys a million times how we make bhature normal in our deep fryer here. So yeah, it's that simple but so delicious. We add extra sugar to our bhature because we like the sweetness to it, right?
Yeah, and yogurt. And semolina for an extra crisp.
Yes, exactly. I'm just trying to find something to watch while we eat. And potatoes are boiling in our instant pot for samosas, so we're gonna do that in the evening.
Right, people, look at that bhature. Every single bhatura inflated. So that's so cool. And now this is the salad. And chole. Tanya hasn't watched a movie that's called Cobra Kai. So we are gonna go watch Cobra Kai. It's on Netflix now, so if you haven't watched it and if you have loved Karate Kids, then this is the movie that you want to watch, and it is super amazing. At least I liked it, so I'm hoping she's gonna like it. So we are gonna go watch the movie. These two kids are chilling, and we're gonna eat a lunch, watch movie, and then see you guys next.
Alright guys, we're done with our lunch. We watched half of the, what were we watching? Cobra Kai. And then we already started making samosa. He is frying one batch. You can see over here, this time we made nice big samosas like the halwai.
Because we were tired to
we
make
were so
the
tired
small
to make
ones.
the small ones, and it's gonna take so much time with the folding and cutting
Also,
and all
last
that
time we made excuse me, we made small ones because we had to fit them in a container. This time we had these little poly bags over here.
Freezer bags.
So we are just gonna put the samosas in here and freeze them.
Yeah. So that's what he is doing. He's frying the samosas. I'm gonna go clean the patio outside because there are so many ants. And this time I'm gonna make sure there are no more ants.
Take the spray.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash the whole freaking patio with water and spray hot shot. It's how कहाँ से लॉक किया था ये तुमने? बस नीचे कर देना क्या इसे? ओ नहीं. Alright my people. So basically, nothing basically. I'm done editing the video and it's 7:20 right now. Marble is drooling right here. I was closing that window because that window which we usually never open, the only reason we opened today was we did the deep frying stuff today, and that's why the whole house was not smelling but my eyes were burning because of the oil. So that's why I kind of opened it, and the windows and fan and everything. But now it's nice and good. And for dinner I'm gonna do coffee. I guess I'm gonna get it from Starbucks. Coffee and samosa, which is already made. Did you show them after you made the samosa?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
And Mayank is still deciding what he wants to eat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, he's still deciding what he wants. Okay. So I think he wants to eat.
I mean, ideally I would have eaten it tomorrow for lunch, but
Yeah.
then I'm not sure if I'll get enough time to make myself because you won't be home.
Yeah, exactly. I won't be
So
home.
I'd rather eat it now, and maybe for lunch I'll just have some stuff.
Okay, yeah, because I'm gonna be home tomorrow at 2:30. So yeah, he's eating chole bhature. I'm gonna eat coffee. So I guess I'm gonna go get Starbucks coffee, or should I just make a Nescafe coffee? It's like two different, very different things, but I'm super confused. I think I'll just make Nescafe. Yeah. So yeah. You babe, you showed them, right? This is my place. Astronaut, go.
Yes, I did.
So you guys already saw my new cozy place that I am very excited about. And with this new place, I'm gonna end this vlog and see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and bye bye.